flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen, including reports of over 1 inch in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Aurora, Brecksville, Northfield, Richfield, Reminderville, Boston Heights, Glendalough, Bay Bridge and Peninsula. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, and Summit.
The number of dealer in Ohio.
Okay, Dante, since you always make fun of my vision, I don't like you to describe what we're looking, because I want to make sure we're absolutely focused on it.
Okay. I see clear skies